tuba wano ku Kinzi tusobola okuba nga tufumbira emmere ey'endawulo n'olwaleero tuyidye tusobola okuba nga tufumba niwe wazira mu programu yaife eno eifumbiro twega okufumba emmere ey'endawulo gezaamu okukweka fumbira ku abantu bo ebintu eby'endawulo tuba ni chef Kafulu ayidde wano yasobola okuba nga atwegesa okufumba emmere ey'endawulo. Without wasting time chef tujja kuba nga tumwegeitako asobola okuba nga atwegesa okufumba ne tujja fumba ki ajja kuba nga atukobera ayenga ndi kuibirako wedi kyebeta baga yajja otegekera ajja giteekateeka atya ajja giteekana ki ebisigaire ajja atukobera chef tusangaire webale emirimu lamusa ku bantu bo baabo bali kubona.
Anyway, I just want to say thank you to all viewers who are watching us. Thank you for your support. I really appreciate. So today, I'm just going to make a very simple dish. It's a simple thing, just a burger. You make it with bread, buns. So these are buns.
Obugati bwe tweta scones.
Yeah. So these are the buns. I have also the beef. I'm just going to make beef burger. So for those who enjoy beef, they'll enjoy it.
Bageno osobola ogire ekyemisana waiguta. Can you have it for lunch?
It's just a first time meal.
First time.
When you're very hungry, you can make it within by 22
Isn't it for
minutes,
breakfast?
22 to 30 minutes. You're done. Not only for breakfast. You can eat it during lunch, evening, anytime you feel like. It's just make your stomach full.
Okay.
Just very simple meal. Other than for you making food which can take a longer time to get ready. So you can take this very simple. You make it quick meal.
Okay.
It's ready.
Oterumya ndala munange ng'osobola okuba nga oteekateeka bagayo bw'oba ng'oyina endala eri kuluma saawa eyo mu bwangu awo osobola okuba ng'ogitegeka wasobola okuba nga ogifumbira omuntu wo omwami mutegekere aleme kujja kukola ng'ali ndala muteekereteekere abaami baimwe abaana bateekereteekere tikuba nti ate naayisaali koodi biki weenaawo tujja kuba nga tutandika okuba nga tufumba.
So this is the minced meat. This is beef minced.
So bwemba nzira ya beef nga nina minced meat ey'ebindindi.
Yeah, it's the same thing.
Kasitoba na nyama.
Yeah, it's made from cow's meat.
Bweba ti ya munte. Ndakwogera olusogo osaaga ojja kubitegeera. What if it is not from the cow but it is does minced meat come from only the cow?
Not only the cow. It comes from very many different things.
All the animals, yes. So even if I have any other type of minced meat?
There's one for chicken. There's one for lamb.
Okay.
So
what do we need today? We need the minced meat, yes?
Yeah, the minced meat. So we need also eggs. So I have my vegetables here. I have lentils. These are lettuce.
Your cabbage?
No, it's not cabbage. Cabbage is very different from lettuce.
This is what?
Lettuce.
Lettuce.
Or lentils. Some people call it lentils, some people call it lettuce.
Bino babitolawa. Mu importing okubireta hano ku oba you can get them from the market.
You can it also from, let's say, in cold places. Like maybe Kabale, Soro.
Ekikotegeeza tubirimba wane waife mu Uganda.
Yeah, also from Uganda, yeah.
Okay.
So, I have my eggs. So I'm just going to use a bowl. So all this, let me put them here. I have a bowl. You can use this. You can either use a bowl or a sauce.
But in Zazida, bobozida chibakuli osobola okwesa sepiki. Okay.
So this is our minced meat. So if this is 500 grams, right? When you're using it, can make four burgers.
Half ya minced meat esobola okola burgers ina. 500 is half.
Yeah.
So if abasinga tuyidikubanga tuyipimira mu half kilo, so half kilo esobola okuva mu bagas enungi diti ina.
So I'm going to break my egg. So this is my egg.
Kwesa foko kuba kano ka wisika tukozesa wuuma akaako titutera kuba nako, so otakoba oti we azira wisika toyida kuwisikinga igi osobola ogema wuuma mu lusoga wakuba igi nga bwoyolwa.
So I'm going to whisk it. So I'm beating my eggs. Salt in my eggs just to feel that taste of salt.
Mu bumpimpi bw'oba oli kukola burgers.
So you have to beat your eggs. One them in your what? You missed one egg enough.
Ejirala ekitegeeza nti bw'oba oli kukola half kilo okozesa amagi abiri. Bw'oba oli kukozesa 500, if it is 500, still one.
Only one is enough for it. So I have to put my salt in the meat. Salt has to be there. You can just use 1 teaspoon. Let me just measure it. 1 teaspoon is enough.
Abasinga abandi twidi okupimisa amaiso gaife. Bwe mpimisa amaiso ate measuring salt. What if I use my eyes?
Yeah, you can still use.
Do I need the teaspoon?
You don't need it as long as
you know how to
know
measure.
How to measure it. Like me, sometimes I don't use the teaspoon. But for those who are learning, at least they can use something.
Okay.
Yeah. So I'm going to put my garlic powder. Just a half spoonful. A half teaspoonful is enough. Beef masala. So I'm seasoning my beef. I just put turmeric. Just a half teaspoon is enough. Then black pepper. Don't put too much. This one you put little.
Watyanga ebintu ebyo byonna bino byoteere mu mbizira tesobola kulya burger.
So I'm seasoning my what?
What if I don't have all that? When I don't have the beef masala, I don't have all
your
this.
burger will not taste well like the rest of people are doing it.
In brief, these ones help in
to bring that flavor, that nice flavor of the burger. So I'm going now to put my herbs. These are dry herbs. They are dry leaves. This one is oregano. So you can see the way oregano is. So they are dry. So this one you put also a half or 1 teaspoon, and also minced herbs. And also put just little. So these herbs.
So sometimes we know that when we mix a lot of things, the taste is lost.
No.
How about that?
This one just we need the flavor. So I'm going to make sure you cut them
Into smaller.
pieces.
So we just need a little of the onions.
Yeah, just little. So I'm going to put my fresh leaves. These are coriander.
Ndibona nga tulitamu
And
ebintu bingi.
this one brings the freshness of what? Of your food. So you cut these roots, cut them off. This is not the local food. Where you can just put what? So this is a burger. Local foods are the ones you can do that, but this one is a burger. So you must have all these. What I'm putting inside.
You must have them.
Yeah,
So if you don't have any of them, you just leave out.
People will not like your food. There are those people. There are those special people. If he doesn't have spices, doesn't like spices, he can tell you that, you know what,
don't put spices.
Yeah. But most people love burgers. Those people love burgers.
Who know?
That, they know that spices are there. It's seasoned, and you'll even come back for the next time.
So if abandi abatayenda ino ku spicinga mmere oba oli kulya mugaati guli mu bintu wagati oba toli kulya burger, if you want the real burger erina okubanga eri season bulungi nga bwali kubanga abikola.
I have to mix my thing very well.
Lwaki ebyo tubimikisingira mu nga tukaali kufumba? Tulina bimikisinga nga tukaali kubita ku ziko. What if I put all these after boiling that? Because I know at the end of it all, we are going to boil the minced meat or cook it.
There are those people who boil the minced meat. They boil just to kill that bacteria. But for me, I prefer putting it in the pan. I put it in the pan, make my pan hot, I put it there, or a griller. For those people who don't have a griller, they use a pan. So in my kitchen, I have a griller, so I use with grillers. So it kills these bacteria very well.
Okay.
So we are going to go to that point later. Those people who boil, again, it will lose the taste. It will loosen the taste. But it's also very good for you to do what? To boil it after making
So
it.
those ones who boil it first, it loses the taste. It is better
And
you start
also,
with this.
Also, it will not create the balls. What we need in a burger is those beautiful balls where we can flatter it, then we put it inside the
Ku Baba TV mukwano gwaife omulungi kiba kirungi ino bwe oli kwenda bagayo eveeyo bulungi ebirungo bino obimixinge ng'emamba okaali gifumba kuba minced meat yaife nga bwe tugidi ng'okaali gifumba ku lwaki mbu enyama eno evaayo n'obwo obubolls obwo nga buviireyo bulungi aye bw'ofumba kuuku tibida buvaayo bulungi n'akawo kali tukaidagemera mu bulungi.
So if you have, for those guys, so have to balance them for them be an equal size.
So there is no any other way out. I need to make the balls. Is it a must?
Yeah, you have to break the ball and you flatter it. So flattering. You can either use.
Lwaki tebiri kulemera kuno ku chopping board? Reason ki?
It will come out when it is flat.
Nkoba, why isn't it stuck here on the chopping board? Why was
Meat
it
is
easy
very
for you?
soft.
Oh.
Meat is very soft, but the good thing I put there some little oil so that it makes it not to start.
So omugaso gwa
you can either
bwito.
put oil here, little oil here on the chopping board, so that it will not get stuck.
So iwali ali eyo kubona n'omugaso gwa bwito twateiremu tibiremeire ku chopping board gye twakoleireku oba osobola okuta bwito ku chopping board yasobola okuba nga tibiremera kule.
You can see the two I've made. I'm going to dip them inside the water, the boiled water. So I need to make them half done. Then later we shall strain it when you put it in the oil, in the hot oil.
The chips.
Yeah.
Are they going to come out as chips?
Yeah.
We shall see.
So,
Ebiseera ebisinga tuyidi nti obubooli buno bwe tuba tulikola bwa chips tuyidi nti tubutta mu bwito straight away. Ayeye asooka yabufumba
make it half done. So I'm going to put there some salt.
Ofumba nga kufumba obubooli obwa bulidde obwa boilo. Banna buli omu alina enfumba ye. Ife twanalirira nti chips dino mala okudisalasala tamu bwito. Aye ate ye akoze ekyendawulo. Aditogoyisaaku ajja kuditolaku nga dikaali kutena kuya bulungi memale aditeena mu bwito nga bw'oyidde okuba nga obona.
So these are our buns. You can either make them at home, now to make them, so you can go to any nearby shop.
Wagulayo gati. So iwataide kola bugati waka osobola okuba nga ojja kuiduka erikuli okumpi wagula bu scones nga olulimi otubweta wasobola okuba nga oteekateeka.
So these are my buns. I'm going to slice them. Divide them into two. You can see? Make sure the top make sure it is flat. So let's make our sauce. So this is mayonnaise, American Garden mayonnaise. So you can find it in the most times in the supermarket. So you can find it. So I'm going to make my sauce, which I'm going to use in the burger. So I'm using 1 tablespoon.
Mayonnaise ono mwagaana nga mungi. Mayonnaise omulungi naliwa.
Sorry, this is mayonnaise.
Muba mu types editawooma. So type
but this one is light. And this one is nice. So I'm going to put my ketchup.
Right, okufumba bino biveeko. Kuba okodde budde okutokosobola.
1 tablespoon. There are those who love mustard. Use mustard. There are those people who love. No, don't cover. If you cover it, it will mash.
Bubooli tufune eyo esitayire eyindi ey'okufumba chips mumulyawo. Obubooli bwo osooka.
So there are those people who prefer mustard. But I'm not going to put it inside.
What is that?
This is mustard, US mustard. You put vinegar or lemon juice.
Tibikaawa. Kuba tweddi nti obwo obulimu obwo bukaawa.
It will be nice.
Tibukaawa. Even a baby can take, a child can take that.
Child.
That sauce.
It's a little bit acidic.
Even if you're mixing it in the sauce.
As long as a child can. But mostly young kids, don't make them used to the thing which acidic, too much acid. She will feel like it's what? It's sour. And I put a little honey to bring that sweetness.
So if you're giving the kid, if you put that honey, it is going to kill the sourness.
Yeah, it also brings that sweetness.
Is the honey sweet?
The honey is sweet. You can test it and see.
Is it healthy for my body? Isn't it raw?
Raw?
Are we going to cook it after?
No. Yeah, no, it's not healthy. It's very healthy. It is not very. It's not bad.
It is not healthy.
It is very healthy. You can see. Because we have put there lemon, or you either use vinegar to kill those germs. So it is this process we are treating. Everything we put there, we mix. It's kind of a treatment. So I'm going to heat my pan. So those people who have grillers at home, if you have a griller, you either use a griller. This one here, the one of a stove. You put your wire mesh there, you put coil meat.
A stove?
Yeah, a stove, a charcoal stove.
A sigiri.
A sigiri. Put a wire mesh.
Otaku akatimba.
Akatimba.
Ketukalira kwe nyama.
Then you put your meat. Make sure you put little oil, then you put meat. So you heat your pan, let it become hot. Put some olive oil.
Ajja kunkubira nvumbi. Yena ajja kukyendera.
Then you put your meat.
So mukwano gwaife omulungi ali ewaka bw'oba frying pan eno oba ng'ozza waakutaano oba olina akatimba kokaliira ku ennyama.
There's also a flat griller machine. You have a machine, a flat. Use it.
Osobola okutaaku ku katimba okwo kubanga obutimba nti amaka agasinga tulina obutimba taaku ku katimba ote kusigiriyo obiteeka oti aye ng'omaze obibaaka ku bwito bijja kubanga bijja bulungi nga bwe tulikwenda okuba nga tubitobolamu. Laitoliero likola kibavudde munakukwaa. Okufumba okuba hakudani okumba dakika nga eyo.
Like 5 minutes.
5 minutes, eh?
Yeah, 5 minutes. As long as they have started boiling. The moment it starts boiling, just count 2 minutes.
Ng'oli watairemu amazzi nga si mafumbe oba nga
already boiled.
boiled.
But when the time it starts bubbling, that is now.
Funa amazzi amafumbe taamu kasita butandika okutokota sola.
Don't let it to get mashed. You need to time yourself, and then wait for it to cool it with cold water so that it doesn't mash.
oba oli kuyita mu mbeera eno ey'okubanga ofumba chipsi bw'omala okutolamu amaali gano nga gamaze okutogotera muze gakenyererwemu bwoti omala okutemu amaadi amaino govu buli nokubanga butena
Very well. So this one you keep on changing. See that golden color. When it changes to golden color, you change. Then you keep on flattering. But dip them in our oil, the chips. Try to check whether your oil is hot. Put one when it starts bubbling, you know that your oil is hot.
Yes.
You have what? You have the frying.
So why did we boil first?
Just make it done as the salt enters very well.
So bw'ofumba kooti omubona oli omulungi tegeera nti omuunu gwingira mu bulungi byasobola okuba nga bivaamu bulungi.
So make sure you keep on flattering the meat. Let that juice come out. That water just to come out from the meat.
N'ennyama yaife oteekera kugikeberako kubanga oli kugiyisiza ku muliro gwagikalirira sigala ng'ogikeberako nga bw'oginiga amaadi gale gaveemu paka bw'enaaba nga ekalira irala.
The heat should not be too much when you're eating your meat. At first make it strong enough and that pan it's hot, then you keep on reducing your heat.
N'omuliro gufe kwino mukwano gwaife ali kuteekateeka misimiti yaifeere nti omuliro gule bw'oguba gwatandise nga musu leka gwikeikane ennyama eno ekale nga bw'obona bw'okalirira emamba esobola okuba nga eya bulungi idukira nti wagitaire ku ŋŋambisi kitegeeza nti tulina ogiwa enough time esobola okuba nga eya bulungi.
So make sure you have a strainer so that oil will just go down in the saucepan.
See ya.
So leave it to heat a little bit before you put more chips in the fire. Keep on changing your burger and pressing it so that it is ready, that fire enters inside very well. And that blood also will come out from the meat. It will kill that bacteria. Preparing our what? I'll be preparing our salads. Divide it from the middle.
That one.
Have another one there. Maybe slice your onion, 2 small particles, can see? These are small slices.
So why didn't we use this one that we used before?
So I can keep it and use it for sauce.
Why don't we use it for?
This one is not for salads. Make your plate beautiful. So that one, someone will just look at the plate and say, what is this? So someone wants to eat that nice shape of the
So kyendidde mu ifumbiro nti tufuba kuyina okubona nga twongera mu ka art yako ne ka design tusobola okuba nga tutolerayo omuntu ekyokulya nga kiboneka bulungi. So akatungulu kale tutukalobye embukabi aye kaida akola omulimu ogundi aye for the beauty of the plate tukozeisa akatungulu akandi tusobola okuba nga tufuna ekintu ekiri kuboneka bulungi.
Here, I have my cabbage here, sliced. I have my onion, I have my green pepper. Carrot is also there. So the green pepper when you're slicing, also the outer part, that is what we need. Make sure those seeds are not there.
So can't we use the inner part for the salads?
The inner, no. You can only use when you're doing tomato slices. Tomato slices is different. I'll show you. We shall come to that.
Okay.
Yes, it's ready.
So how do I know that it is ready?
When you press it, and then bring
Water.
that watery thing.
So okutegeera nti emamba eno gy'oli kubanga okalirira eyire abwogini gw'okiteva mu maadhi era ogibona nga bw'ali kukola ali ginigira irala ayitera okuva mu maadhi kitegeeza nti eyire awo kyetuli kufumba tuyige nti tutuuse ku nkomerero.
So we are going to dress our salads. I'm going to use corn. Would squeeze my lemon.
So why do we put lemon?
To kill the bacteria.
So
You can never use lemon or vinegar.
bw'obozira vinegar osobola okukozesa eniimu eyamba okuyita obuwuka obwedukira nti ebintu bye tujja kulya bibisi. So olw'okuba nti ojja kulya bibisi kyetaaga obuwuka obwandibeere kubonabona bwasobola okuba nga bufa kyova obona nga tukozesa ino ka lemoni ako kasobola okuba nga kabiita.
Get the zest, you can grate. Just grating the zest, the outer part. So that you break that nice what? Nice flavor of the lemon. Remember when you have flu, you can, doctors can tell you, like our traditional at home there, our parents, they tell you that you eat what? Lemon with
N'akafususu kaako. Naddala mu kiseera nga kino ekya covid bw'oba oli kulya akantu ako n'okakala katooto n'okaliirako tegeera nti oli kaweweevu.
So, need to put my salt, season it with my salt. Put my little sugar, you can either use brown sugar or brown sugar for those people who are diabetic, or use this sugar,
Our normal sugar.
normal sugar.
Again, we put sugar on the salads after putting salt.
Yeah.
Lwaki tuteeremu sukaali n'omuunu?
Then you put your olive oil. You put your olive oil. Don't put too much.
Too much, a little.
Just a little to make your salads wet. They should not be dry. Your salad should be wet. Just bring that nice flavor and the taste of the herbs.
And they dangerous for our lives when we take
No,
them on
herbs are
the road.
very good in the body. You can even hear the name, it's herbs. These are leaves just. Leaves are very good. in the body. It can boost your digestive system. Helps also in blood transformation, like blood to flow. So this machine is a bread toaster, like for toasting sandwiches. You can toast your bread. You just make it uses power.
It uses power.
Yeah.
What if I don't have one at home?
Don't have one, you can use this very
Frying pan.
Frying pan, you toast your bread on a pan. You have to warm your bread. So don't press it so much, just press it slowly.
Just to heat a little.
Yeah.
So if I don't have that, I can use a frying pan.
Yeah, you can use a frying pan, heat your frying pan and you toast it.
Do I need to put cooking oil again?
And see, it's not burnt. That one. So, shall use our sauce we made.
Light tosobola bino bireke. Light. Ajayo kwa. Oyina bule olugi. Oyina ako. Oweire. So you just put a little?
Yeah, yes, smear it with little. So Ali mentioned about the inner part of the tomato. So this is what I was talking about. We shall roast that.
So if we're making it like round, it is okay to leave the inner part.
Yeah. Let me see. Season them with your salt. Just some little pepper, if you eat pepper. Treat it with the lemon. So all this food is treated, so you don't even feel that thing of stomach pain. And the moment if you're feeling stomach pain, take lemon. Oranges? Take lemon or vinegar. That pain will disappear.
What if I have only oranges, not lemon?
Lettuce I was talking about.
Lettuce.
L-E-C-T-U-S-E.
Lettuce. Ida fainting. Naam, wanji wegumi. Bida kuye, bili kuja kuye. And our chips ready?
The top you remove. This is so these are lettuce. You can see they are very sweet.
Oh. Yeah, they are. They are sweet.
Where did you? So slice your cheese. make sure you remove your cheese from the fridge early. You don't, so that the ice can what?
Melt.
The ice will melt. So if your cheese is frozen, remove it early. Leave it there for some time. It will melt. So you can put this. Okay? You can put this on your what?
So we are done here.
You put them on your bag, on your meat, so that it will melt. You can leave it on fire, then you cover it. Cover it like this, so that it will melt. Here, if you have an oven,
you put it in the oven if you have an oven.
Like me, I'm going to use my oven. It is hot. Olive oil, so that it will not get stuck. Drizzle there with some oil.
It's hot. It's hot. So this here. Don't switch off that.
And see the way it is. Put it on bread. Can see? Can see the melt? So you put your lentils.
So what if I don't have the, is it, what did you say? The lentils? What if I don't have those cabbage pepper things like?
The lettuce.
And I have normal cabbage.
Well, this one is sweet. Cabbage is not sweet.
Sweet?
Yeah, classic burgers to have this vegetable. So, I'm going to put here. Our vegetables. Sit with that. Put their sauce.
But the top already has sauce. So it we.
The sauce has to be there.
You add on, eh?
Yeah, to make it nice and juicy.
So what if I don't have any of the things you've put in? It won't come out as a burger?
These vegetables helps by the way in the body. It kills, like it helps.
Yes, they help in the body, but what if I don't have them?
Oh, you will only be eating fats. Because those vegetables, they are very cheap in the market. They're not so expensive. That is why in the burger, vegetables have to be there.
So that
to
is
kill the fat. What?
So that is
the
the
things
burger.
are fatty. Meat is also fatty. Cheese is fatty. So when you put those vegetables, it helps to boost up your body to kill those fats.
Okuba nga tukendeeza ku fats de tulire idukira tutere mu emamba tere ku cheese tuteire mu bingi.
So the chips, make sure you repeat it twice to make it crispy.
Why do we
If you want your chips to be crispy, you repeat it twice.
You make them be what? Crispy.
Crispy.
Ngabwatuka.
The chips should be crispy and soft. Sprinkle it with little salt, but because already salt is already here, we boiled it with salt. So to just bring the taste of salt, you can sprinkle with just a little salt. Don't put too much. And you have a serviette, you can use it to tap that oil, but the chips is dry. There's no what? So the oil is not there, you can even see it.
Yes.
So your burger goes with these potatoes, the chips, the Irish potatoes.
So the Irish potato act as what? Are they the sauce or what? Do they act as what? Because this is already
food.
This is already dry, and I'm putting on another dry thing.
So now our salads. The sauce, you can use it for the chips. You can use it to dip it in the chips. Yeah.
Let me test and see.
Are you feeling it? So.
Ndowooza oli kubona emmere yaffe bw'eri kufaanana ku sowaani etyoni bw'oba oyinza okuba nga ogiryako tukoba nti todaaga kuginoonya luuyi oyida bwidde wano ku Kings Apartments bayida kuba nga bagikuteekerateekera nti kubye nti chef wa wano weeni we tuli so oyida kuba nga omwagaanawo akuteekereteekere ate nga tateekateeka kino kyonka ateekateeka emmere kamaala buli mmere gy'oyinza okuba nga olyako oyida kuba nga ogyagaana.